Good morning, guys. Happy Monday to you. This video is going up on Monday. It is Thursday in my world. Today is a catch-all day on my Google Cal, so I need to clean the house. And I feel like I just showed cleaning the house. In fact, the video that went up yesterday was a getting it all done video, but that was a week ago, and now the house is a little out of sorts again, and we're getting ready to go on a weekend trip. So I want to make sure that the house is nice and tidy for that. I need to pack, I need to do laundry. I have one order that I need to ship out, but it's like the stationery stuff we sell in the shop, so I can just package that up and send it on its way. And then at some point today, if I have time, I want to work on the mugs, the mug designs that I worked on yesterday, which would have been in Friday's vlog for you. No, actually I didn't vlog it. I started to, but I didn't feel great yesterday. I've got some neck problems going on with my muscles and whatever. So I ended up, I tried to film, but it just did not happen yesterday. But I did work on some new mug designs, and I want to put them on the actual mugs today. So if I have time to get that done, I will. But yeah, that's everything that's happening today. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me on my day, and we are gonna get stuff done today. So first things first, I am going to package up this order. All right, you guys, so the order is done. We got that done, taken care of. It's on its way to its new home, which is so exciting. So now I think I'm just gonna sit down and put all of my thoughts on a list, thoughts of what exactly I want to get clean today and all of that stuff. Because I find if I just make a big master list and I'm specific, not just saying clean the house, but specifically here are the things that I want to get done, I feel like I am so productive whenever I do that. So that's a tip for you guys. If you want to feel more productive, if you want to get everything done, don't just put clean the house on your list. Be very specific. Say, I want to mop the floors. I want to dust in the living room. Whatever it is that you're doing, put it on the list. And it'll look like a big long list and it'll be kind of scary, but I promise you, some of those things are so quick and easy that once you get it done and you check it off, you just feel good. And when you feel good and feel like you're being productive, I feel like you're just more productive, because then you're just I want to get it all done. I want to check it all off. All right, I'm going to make my list. I'm going to get started getting everything done. Okay, so I got this taken care of, and I've just broken it down by room, and then all of this stuff is just extra stuff that's not cleaning. So let's go over it real quick. I have unload and reload the dishwasher, wipe down the counters. There's some vegetables in the fridge that I want to freeze. I want to chop up and freeze them so they don't go bad. I need to vacuum and possibly mop the living room. I need to dust and vacuum. Bedroom, I need to make the bed, vacuum and dust. Bathroom, just wipe down the toilet, the tub, the counter, the mirror, that sort of thing. I should also put vacuum on here. Then laundry, I need to wash, dry, fold, and put away. And then I need to pack. I need to order some supplies for my sticker shop and also for the new shop. I need to do the order, which I already did, but I wanted to add that on here because I feel like being able to see that and cross that off helps me to realize oh, I've already been so productive today. I've already accomplished something. At some point, if I have time, I want to work on mugs, and then I need to go buy a shirt. I'm making a shirt for a family member, so I want to make that so I can give it to her tomorrow. So yeah, that's my list. And of course, if I think of more things, I will add them, but that is just a good place to get started. And a lot of these things won't even really take that long because I'm not doing a super deep clean. I'm just making sure the house is clean for us just being out of town for a few days. So I think the best place to get started is the living room. It's not too bad. We've got some of Dixie's stuff over here, which I have to pack up for her. And then we just have random stuff. Also, Dixie has a treat that she isn't eating right now because her stomach is upset, so I'm going to have to pick that up so I can vacuum. But yeah, it's mainly just some trash and, just putting the couch back together, so it won't take me that long and we can cross off a whole room. So let's get into it. Okay guys, it is much later in the day. There's just been a lot today. So last time I chatted with you, Dixie started feeling not so great. So all of my focus went to taking care of her. She's so much better now, but she wasn't feeling well. So I wanted to make sure that I was taking care of her, especially since we're leaving tomorrow. I want to make sure she's okay. I don't need to take her to the vet. I don't need to cancel my trip because she's not feeling well, you know, so I needed to make sure she was fine. But like, she's fine. She's unpacking her stuff. Yes, yes. I see. You've got your bear. Are you feeling better? Probably, since you just unpacked your stuff. Anyway, so thankfully she's fine. I didn't get everything on my list done today, but I got most of it done. I'm sorry I just kind of like dropped off the face of the earth for the rest of this vlog, but like I said, Dixie wasn't feeling well and I was just really focused on getting her to be like okay and feeling good. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me and don't forget to click subscribe because there might be a really fun vlog coming next week. Maybe. We'll see how this goes, but definitely subscribe for more videos, more cleaning, productivity, all the things. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.